In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo changes on Wix with ease. Whether you're new to Wix or just need a quick refresher, mastering the art of undoing can save you a lot of time and effort. Sometimes, as we dive into customizing our websites, we might make changes that we wish to step back from. Thankfully, Wix provides us with a simple and intuitive way to correct these oops moments. Let's walk through the process together to ensure your website remains exactly how you envision it, without any unnecessary headaches. To begin, you'll need to log into your Wix account. Once you've successfully signed in, the first step is to navigate to the specific site you'd like to edit. On your Wix dashboard, you'll see all your sites listed. Simply find the one you're currently working on and click on the button that says Edit Site next to your site's name. This will bring you into the heart of your Wix editor, where you can see all the components of your web design laid out before you. Now that you're in the editor, let's explore how you can undo any changes that have been made. Look towards the top of the editor, and there you'll notice a row of icons. Among these icons is the Undo option, which is typically represented by a curved arrow pointing to the left. Clicking this icon is one of the most straightforward ways to revert to your most recent change. This is a quick and effective way to take a step back from any modifications you've applied, bringing your design back to a previous state. Alternatively, for those who prefer keyboard shortcuts or are working more efficiently with their hands on the keyboard, Wix also supports the universal command for undoing actions. This means that by simply pressing Ctrl+Z on a Windows machine, or Command+Z if you're on a Mac, you can achieve the same undo effect. These keyboard shortcuts are incredibly handy, especially if you're in the groove of designing and need to make quick revisions without moving your cursor away from your current work area. It's always reassuring to know there's a built-in safety net when you're working on your website. Whether you're testing out new layouts, adding text, or rearranging elements. The undo function eases the pressure of decision-making by allowing you the flexibility to experiment without permanent consequences. Using either the undo icon or keyboard shortcuts ensures you're free to explore your creativity while maintaining control over your website's final appearance. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Remember, a small mistake is not the end of the world when you've got the power of the undo button at your fingertips. Now go ahead and try it out yourself, and don't forget to have fun while creating with Wix. Happy editing!